Hey everyone, welcome back. This is my 2020 C8 mid-engine Corvette. Let's get a cold start. Mean sounding. Do a quick walk around of my 2020 pre-production mid-engine C8 Corvette. It's finished in shadow gray with a sky gray interior. Z51 3LT. I have the ground effects package I'm going to pick up this week. I just bought from Chevrolet dealer, which I'll make a video of that this week. For those of you that don't know, I do own a car dealership. I buy and sell classic cars, classic Corvettes mostly, do restorations. Tell you right now though, the new mid-engine Corvette is definitely a very sweet car. I've had Lamborghinis and other sports cars and other exotic cars, and I'll tell you right now, Corvette has stepped their game up for the price of this. It's very, very comparable to the Porsches and all the other stuff, McLarens and the Ferraris, Lamborghinis. When the Z06 comes out and the ZR1 version of this comes out, I don't think you'll be able to get a better bang for your buck. So, and they did great. This car drives phenomenal. Interior is nice. They stepped their game up on the interiors. From the C7 to this is night and day difference. This car has the GT2 seats. This isn't a car I spec. This is a pre-production car. I have a Rapid Blue completely loaded car on order that I'm probably gonna end up canceling or taking. I haven't decided yet, but probably gonna take it because that's the one I wanted. But bought this because I got tired of waiting that, and who knows when the plant's gonna open back up. And I wanted to make some videos, and hey, I've been wanting to try this car for so long. It was eating me up to see all these other people driving them, and I didn't get to have the experience of driving one, or even hey, every time you went to a show or something, they wouldn't even let you sit in it. So I wanted to try it so bad. Figured I'd buy one and try it out for a little bit, and then pass on the savings to someone else. Maybe even make a buck, who knows. At least get my money back. Cluster is pretty sweet in this car also. All the different options. We'll go through all that stuff. I want to go through and do a walk around video. Do a walkthrough video of everything I've figured out so far. Headliner's really neat. They did good on this car. Didn't cut any corners, that's for sure. Alright, welcome to the inside of my C8 Corvette. This is the sport screen. This is touring mode. Here the valves open up in the exhaust. Race mode. I like the screen in sport mode. Drive on the street. So you can scroll through the menus here on the left, and if you want to get rid of all this stuff and make it just the tach and the speedometer in the middle, go here and hit that and wait, and everything will shut off in a second. And that gives you just the tach and your mile per hour. Then makes it real simple to look at. Heads up display. The rear view mirror is a camera, just like in the 2020 GMC Sierra pickup trucks. Here is the way to adjust it. So you can adjust the brightness. You can adjust the zoom in or out. And then you can adjust the height if you want it looking down, up. It's these three buttons on the bottom right here, at the bottom of the mirror. OnStar buttons, home link and all that. It's right here on the headliner. This car being a 3LT car, it has a suede wrapped headliner. Love the stitching on the steering wheel. Everything pretty much, all of it. They did good on this car. And this thing, the center here is not very bad in person. It's really not as bad as it looks in pictures. Pictures make it look a lot more invasive, but it's not that bad in person. Hit the button to open the glove box. See the engine through the window. Really cool. I've been waiting for him to go mid-engine in this car all my life. Go through all the cameras, performance data recorders right here. I have recordings on there already. Change all your settings. Start. All the cameras on this car are ridiculous. Just like on all the new Chevrolet vehicles, the cameras on the 2020 2500 Denali are great. It's awesome. Once you get used to using all of them, it's hard to get back to a car without having all the mirrors, or all the cameras. Let's get through them all here and check them out. Give it lines front and back so you know how close you're getting to stuff. It's really cool. Alright guys, so another feature of the Z button here. Changes the mode. To set that button up, you go into your settings. Or I was already in it. Settings, you be at system, go to vehicle, Z mode. And you can change it all right here. Powertrain, track, that's how I have my Z mode set up. You can also go here, my mode. So for my mode, that would be my mode on this knob. When you go into the knob here and you go to track, or it's the other direction. So weather mode, my mode, gives it the exhaust. Touring, changes the screen back to your fuel mileage up there, and then sport mode. So if you want to change all the stuff over here on the screen, you can go over here on the little selector pad. Tile selection. So on my screen you can turn off instant fuel economy, and you can add, see it's changing our battery volts. Deselect them all, and let's add our own. Let's add tire status. Transmission fluid temperature, tire status, and oil pressure, because I can get my G's on the other screen. And performance here, you can have your G's show up on that side. So pretty cool. Tires are at temp right now. Windows, so if you hit this button here, this is adjust the mirrors. This will fold your mirrors in. You can also change that in your settings if you want it to lock and unlock. You want your mirrors go in, remote lock, unstart. You can change it all right here. I start auto cooling seats, auto heat seats. It'll do that depending on what the temperature is outside. Turn on remote window operation, which I'll show you how that works from the remote outside. Passive door locks. So that's for when you walk away from the car with the key in your pocket. It'll lock the doors automatically. You can have that on or off. Passive door locks unlock, so when you walk up it'll unlock. That's how I would leave it. Remote left in the vehicle, that means it'll beep at you when if you get out and you take the key with you, or you let the key in the car, it'll beep at you. What's the settings? System, your Wi-Fi, all that stuff. Back to home. It's the home screen, your nav. But who really uses nav in the car anymore? Now you use your phone, and you plug your phone in and you have it with your phone. So also front camera, if you want to turn it on, just click the button. My car does not have the nose lift. Didn't think it was I didn't inspect this car, but it wasn't a big deal for me that it didn't have it. I drove lowered cars, drove sports cars all my life. It doesn't, nothing different. All the driver controls are on the top side, passenger controls are on the bottom side. Cup holder's nice. So to open the front trunk or the rear engine compartment, you can either do it with your key or the buttons for either one are right here. Memory seats are there, power seat controls, carbon fiber on the back of these seats, really nice. Put your phone in the middle here, it will charge it without a wire. If you have wireless charging on your phone, it will anyway. My car being a pre-production car, I didn't get the original window sticker yet. Seller's supposed to send it to me, the dealer I bought it from. Trunk open. Trunk, whatever you want to call it. It's kind of shaped like the Lamborghini hood right here. When you look at it, the way it's cut like the Aventador. This car will get you a whole lot of attention everywhere you go, or if you let it sit. I let it sit out here in front of my dealership throughout the week, and just while I'm here, and the amount of people that stop just to take pictures of it and look at it, everything is ridiculous, you know. They don't know what it is too. That's like one of the main things. They don't know what it is. Everyone thinks when you're out, they think it's a Lamborghini or some kind of exotic car, you know, and it always surprises them to see the Corvette on the back, or you tell them it's a Corvette. Really? Oh man, that's awesome, man. Finally went to a mid-engine, you know. I can't wait. I'll have to record some reaction videos once this COVID-19 pandemic thing, once the virus stuff is all done. I'd like to go and record some videos, reaction videos of people with places when you go. Alright guys, if you like the video, please subscribe, like and share. And I will see you guys next video.